a prison. The hole in this tree trunk will provide vital protection. Once settled inside, the female does something truly bizarre. She pulls out her flight feathers. She is not going to need them because she will be staying in here for quite some time. Now her partner brings her a beakful of mud, and she begins to seal herself in. She has turned the tree hole into a predator-proof fortress, a prison. Her partner, however, is a regular visitor. For the next 2 months, he will deliver all her food directly to her door. But she can be fussy. He's going to have his work cut out. Delicious. The food he has brought has enabled her to produce 2 precious eggs. She will keep them safe for another 6 weeks, until the young have grown and fledged. And then both she and they will break out of their confinement. But until then, this devoted couple are going to be very busy indeed.